So we got the Fuego carb off. Downloaded a picture from the web, thanks to the carburetor shop. Not an endorsement again. I've got a kit. So just going to be sensible. I've got my special box of tools that I only use for carburetors. So it's all basically, they're only just ordinary quality screwdrivers, but I only use them for a carburetor, so that like they've always got sort of sharp square shoulders and they're not worn, and then it stops the risk of you sort of you know, chewing over tiny little screws like that when they're tough. So we're gonna check what's in the kit. It looks like we've got these sort of diaphragms for these. So I'm gonna undo it, lay it all out, clean it, put it back together. Well, it's back together. I'm quite happy with that. It seems to be ticking over quite nice. Bit of a noise. I'm sure it might be like alternator bearings or something. But yeah, cool. Okay, at last managed to find a new old stock, one of these. It was loads of money from, where was it, the Netherlands. It was like 300 quid plus about 70 quid import duty. So we're going to swap it over and hopefully it'll be all right. Okay, right, it's on. I'm not going to film bleeding it through just because, well, done it before. Common sense, bleed it through. Wow, look, I never knew that. That's amazing. Well, eBay carb. Seems to be better if we can try and bleed the water system to make the choke work alright. Well, we'll play it by ear. Put some more coolant in it. I don't know if that alternator sounds a bit noisy, but yeah, we'll see. Right, at least it's now MOT'd. The old parts and stuff are in the back. Yeah, only thing that's advised on the tyres are a bit tired, perished. So, apart from that, looks good to go.